Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-cheese omelette, and these are all the ingredients. I've got 3 eggs and a bit of cream in there, and these are the 3 cheese options I've gone for. I've got mozzarella over there, I've got parmesan, and I've got smoked cheese. So all together we're going to have this beautiful cheesy omelette. You can of course choose any cheese you want. I'll leave a link down below to a blog post where I'll just go through the step-by-step instructions to give you more cheesy options, but I'm gonna whisk up the eggs. I've got a frying pan heating up behind me, and we're gonna get on and make this 3-cheese omelette. Okay, I've whisked up the eggs, they're nice and smooth, and we're gonna get on and make the omelette. Okay, I put my egg in and it's cooked faster than I had time to film. It's pretty much ready to have the cheese filling popped into it now. Okay, cheese is on. Look at that pile of cheese, yum. And I'm just going to fold my omelette over and cook it through on both sides. And I flipped it over. Have a look at that. You can see the cheese oozing out the side over there. It's all melting away nicely. But that is today's short and sweet video for 3-cheese omelette. So hopefully this has given you an idea for a yum breakfast that's low carb and keto friendly. I'm just watching my cheese melt away, and I'm going to enjoy my beautiful omelette. And I hope that you'll check down below for link to the blog post, and make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.